Hello, everyone. Wanted to spend a couple minutes with you and talk about the latest MDM offering, the Trio of Life amulets. And this one happens to be the DNA amulet. So, over the years, the MDM team has created a plethora of next generation spiritual technology products, the things that science fiction books are written about. And as each creation comes into fruition, it's really a combination of everything that I've learned, and the product lines continually build on each other. And there are a few products that are actually in third generation now because they've been so successful in what they deliver to people that we can then turn around and create an upgrade to that product in whatever capacity that it is. And a great example of that is the HFA Traveler in its third generation. So, as this game is played out endlessly with the universe, as you spread more love and light in the world, and you are given the capacity to look at that carrot that's always dangling right in front of you. And that will typically usher in a new era of products and a product line or a single product. In this case, in the Trio Life amulets, we have three. We have the Infinity, we have the DNA, and we have the Flower of Life. And each one has a lab grown crystal that is 3D laser engraved to perfection, surrounded by very, very powerful symbology on the front and on the back. And you'll notice that they are pretty thin. The exact dimensions are on the website. But when you wear this product, it changes you, right? So, in the instance of the Tree of Life DNA amulet, you start to feel different as soon as you're wearing it, almost like your body is repairing itself. So, this morning, I had an intense leg workout and I was sore and I wasn't wearing one. 15 minutes ago, I picked up the DNA amulet, and you know what? The soreness is gone. Gone. The the source amulet or the infinity amulet also helps you to expand your awareness to everything around you. You become more acute. You understand energy on a different level as it permutates you. So let's say you're an empath and you're used to taking on all of this negativity that's out there and the good stuff from people in some cases. With the source amulet, you'll be able to physically feel that on a much different level, and you'll also be able to repel the negativity of it. With the flower of life amulet, that one is it's pretty unique and different. It's almost like, so if you wear it to bed and when you get up in the morning, you feel anew again. It's very hard to explain. If you are used to waking up in a bad mood, you'll know based on other interviews that I've done and videos that I've done that your reality mimics exactly what you put out. And with the flower of life amulet, you're going to wake up in a mood that kind of transcends what you're used to. And again, as the creator of these products, um, I can talk about the effects till the cows come home, but if you have owned an MDM product in the past, you kind of know how it's very hard to put into words what's happening to you, although it's extremely powerful, high vibration, and is enhancing you. The flower of life transforms your life into something really, really beautiful. And so if you have a beautiful life, it's going to enhance it. If are in a happy mood all the time, you're going to be enhanced. And you just it works so flawlessly and so quickly once it's activated. And the beauty of these products is you don't have to wear them if you don't want. You can just connect with them and think about them and bring them into your awareness. And then over time, it's just automatic. It just happens all the time. You know, I had some really good discussions with Darius when we were putting these packages together for you. And, you know, we're practically giving these away with the current bonuses. I'm giving you a free I am bracelet, right? These are second generation bracelets. They are absolutely beautiful and powerful. You're getting a free I am healthy water bottle. So if you own the Source water bottle, you know exactly what they do. They enhance your water. They make you, it makes the water super energized. So these packages are moving fast. And I typically, when product runs out, depending on how the demand was in the time of year, I may or may not reorder from through my manufacturers a run. We still have these left. We're coming into the Christmas season now. These packages will be running through the Christmas season as long as inventory is available. And right now, inventory is available, but it's moving, folks. So, like I always say, if you feel compelled to a product, the product is picking you. You're not picking it. And that's true with everything in life, right? The energy behind that product is picking you. So if you feel compelled, you're not going to get a better deal on my website or anywhere. This was an exclusive offer through UL Revolution with Darius. We handcrafted this, and these are available today. I put a lot of love and care into everything I create, from, its conception into my head to the time the prototypes are done to where we get, the products done. And, one thing with my manufacturer is he knows I'm a stickler for perfection. Borderline pain in the butt, I am, but I work really hard at this to deliver, excellence in everything I do. And that is from the time that it leaves the warehouse to it arrives on your doorstep and you open it with pride, right? Think about that. How many things do you order in life that you take pride in opening? I venture to guess probably not a lot, but if you purchase something on the Darius show and you're waiting for it, whether it's my product or somebody else's, you're going to open that with pride because you see the value in it. You know how the practitioner behind the product puts so much love and care into what they do, and they just come across. Now, folks, you have to understand something about me. I've never advertised. Well, that's not true. 20 years ago, I had a couple banner ads on some website long gone, but everything I've built has been through word of mouth. And the testament of that is the success of the product lines, because I just keep creating more and more. And if you're in the manufacturing industry, you know that to get a product from your head out into a customer's hands is a very long and arduous process. And there's a lot of pitfalls involved, and there's a extreme amount of costs up front that you have to, take the brunt from on something that's new. And, you're trusting, in my case, I'm trusting implicitly in the universe that I was showed correctly on how to do something. And I've seen countless miracles just come up in my world when it comes to product development. And, the Trio of Life amulets are no different from other things I've created, except this right now is the latest and the greatest. And we are offering it on UWealth Revolution with some other amazing products at a discount that you're not going to see anywhere else. And trust me, once these are gone, they're gone, and you're not going to see this type of pricing again anytime soon. So again, if you feel drawn to the product, just know that you're not picking the product is picking you. And you got to feel that love, you got to feel it. And when you get them, they will change your life in amazing ways, folks. So if you heed that clarion call, awesome. Thanks, folks. Have a beautiful day.